Today I'll show you the unboxing of the Realme 9i. On the front, you can see the phone's name, and at the back, specifications like processor, charger, battery and camera. So let's open the box. First, you can see the lid. Inside it, we have a SIM ejector tool and documentation like a quick guide and safety guide which will give you information about the phone. Next, we have silicone back cover which will protect your phone. Here we have Realme 9i. The phone has a punch hole display. The device offers a stunning 50 megapixel triple camera setup on its rear side and Realme branding at the bottom left. The phone looks stunning in this finish. You will get USB Type-C cable for charging the phone. At last, we have a 2-pin wall charger with 33 watt of fast charging. So guys, that's all you get inside the Realme 9i box. Thank you so much for watching this video.